Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing essentials and starting the heat right away. You want fresh cold water because it oxygenates and brings out flavor. Measure 1 cup per serving and 1 teaspoon loose tea or a tea bag. Place water in your kettle and set it to the correct temperature for your tea type. This preserves volatile oils and prevents bitterness. While the water heats, warm the teapot or cup with a splash to keep temperature stable. Once the kettle clicks, move immediately to brewing. You now brew with control. Pour the just heated water over tea to release flavor compounds efficiently. Use lower temps for green tea to avoid grassy bitterness and near boil for black or herbal to extract full body. Make sure to cover the vessel while steeping to trap aromatics and maintain even temperature. This matters because volatile flavors escape quickly. Time the steep precisely. Check a timer and taste at the lower bound, then extend if needed. Once done, remove leaves promptly to prevent tannin overextraction. You complete the process by straining tea into warmed cups to preserve temperature and clarity. Add milk, lemon, honey, or sweetener only after tasting so you balance acidity and body. Milk smooths tannins whereas lemon brightens. Serve promptly for best aroma, or cool quickly for iced tea by placing over an ice bath. If the brew is too bitter, dilute with hot water or shorten the next steep by 30 to 60 seconds, and make sure water temperature was correct.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.